Hey there, it's Jared Hamilton with the Hamilton Group at Cherry Creek Mortgage. Welcome to another edition of Java with Jared. Once again, happy Friday. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Well, the city of Denver, Colorado is probably in a pretty good mood here today because if you're like most Coloradans, you probably watched the Broncos squeak out a win last night in a really exciting game against the Carolina Panthers with a 21-20 victory. And the Denver Broncos were able to get that win because they really took advantage of some opportunities when they had those opportunities, and they also got a little bit lucky and got me thinking today. That's really what I'm advising my clients to do in today's real estate market and interest rate environment because. There's just a lot of volatility here going on, and this week was a really good example where clients really need to take advantage of opportunities when they have them. And also we need to get a little bit lucky because interest rates did finish the week about where they ended last week. We did see, we had a very shortened week here because Monday obviously was a holiday, and hope everybody had a wonderful Labor Day weekend. But the market started out on a tear. We saw interest rates improve fairly dramatically on Tuesday. And then Wednesday and Thursday and today, we lost all that ground. Rates just came back to where they ended at the end of the last week. So if clients took advantage of where rates were on Tuesday, they did themselves a favor. And we're going to continue to see that because there's just a ton of speculation here as to what the Federal Reserve is going to do, and you just need to take advantage of those opportunities when you see them, and then also, get a little bit lucky. We didn't see a whole lot of economic data that was released into the market. Really, the only thing of major importance is we did see CoreLogic's home price index survey come out. That showed from the national perspective that the economy or that appreciation was growing at about 5.9%. Again, for the overall nation. In Colorado specifically, we saw an increase of about 9.3% year over year. The month over month increase was about 1.2%, and the forecast was for year over year Colorado market or the Denver market actually to increase at about 5.9%. So we've seen good appreciation already. It's forecast that we're going to see very, positive but slowing appreciation for the year ahead. So it's going to be very, very good. Now, the reason that the market actually got worse is because there's just been a whole lot of talk here by some of the Fed members just talking the market into the fact that a Federal Reserve hike could be more in the cards than what the market was expecting. They're probably just trying to talk the market up. In fact, the Fed funds future, which handicaps what the Federal Reserve might do, has actually increased dramatically over the last just few days as to if the Federal Reserve will increase credit by the end of the year. There's almost a 50% chance right now. The handicap is maybe about a 46% chance by December that the Federal Reserve will increase credit, and it was sitting at, at the beginning of the week, closer to about 30. And for the September and the November numbers, it's hovering around about a 20% chance of 20% in September, and then November, about a 27% chance of at least a 0.25% hike. So there's just been more speculation here that maybe the market was anticipating that the Federal Reserve wouldn't do anything. Getting fairly comfortable with that. We saw that on Tuesday. And then with some of the Federal Reserve board members out there they're talking being a little bit more hawkish. And so that kind of spooked the market, and we reverted back to the mean of where we started out last week. But the bottom line is to take advantage of those opportunities and hopefully get a little bit lucky. So next week, we're going to see a little bit more economic data. We'll continue with that volatility. And as always, we will keep you informed if you're working this weekend. So am I. So please feel free to give us a call if you have any questions. Also, if you're interested in getting this home price index, just email me, let me know, and I can send you the chart that shows what Denver's appreciation rate has been according to CoreLogic over the past year and what the expectations are for the year ahead. So thanks for joining me with Java with Jared. Again, just email me if you want that chart. Appreciate it. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.